5 Best Toolboxes. Here is the product number 5. Collapsible rectangle plastic boxes. Material, PVC. Model number, HD01. Type, box. Unit type, piece. Here is the product number 4. Silver flip metal storage box. These boxes are ideal for storing a whole host of items and make the perfect tin for survival, fishing and fire starting kits. Sturdy metal construction. Compact and lightweight. Secure hinged lid. It can be used for storing all sorts of fun collectibles. Plain silver color suitable for all types of arts and crafts. Product, candy box accessories. Here is the product number 3. Temperature controller acrylic box. Type, box. Material, plastic. Here is the product number 2. Portable jewelry toolbox. Made of high-quality PP material, it is durable and break-resistant. Lockable design, dust-proof, clear lid for viewing contents of the parts box. Bear the impact, bear the oil, water tightness, bear the corrosion, defend the ultraviolet ray. Easy to store craft parts, metal parts, screw, sewing accessories, jewelry accessories, electronic parts SMT. Designed with 15 rectangle compartments. Here is the product number 1. Component container storage boxes. Model number, SMT component container storage boxes. Size, SMT component container storage boxes. Is _customized, yes. Material, SMT component container storage boxes. Transparent color, blue, green, pink, white, gray, 6 colors, such as the need to specify color, please leave a message at the time of purchase. Check the description below for the link and more items. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Like, comment and share.